Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the tire changing spoon kit. Comes in a fairly decent plastic bag here. Kind of like a ripstop fabric with single sewn edges, folded over. Let's bring it in for a closer look. So taking a look at the bag here, again, it's like a ripstop material. Kind of feels like a nylon. The stitching on the outside of the bag seems fairly robust, so it will hold up to the rigors of being in the motorcycle out on the trail. Velcro top. Let's bring it back over here to this table. So it does come with extra valves, Schrader valve removal kit, extra caps, the rim assist for pulling the beads off, and then the 3 different spoons. Let's take a look at the quality of the spoons. Spoons are nicely polished, nice and smooth, won't catch on those rims at all. It's a hard rubber handle with a feelings like a plastic insert. So you got lots of grip, and it's got a nice design to, get a hold on it. It's got some weight to it. Looks like it'll hold up to the prying action that you're going to need when putting it on your bike. Good set, great price on Amazon. My name's Ryan. Thanks for watching.